KDF engineers support the construction of the Raila Odinga International Stadium at Talanta Sports City and the Bomas International Convention Complex. Through Kenya Shipyards Ltd, the Kenya Navy, we are rebuilding our shipping and shipbuilding capabilities. For example, MV Uhuru II, built locally and now moving trade across Lake Victoria, shows how a defense capability becomes an industrial capacity. And through disaster and the response to disaster, medical outreach and support to communities affected by insecurity, KDF has shown that service to Kenya takes many forms. Beyond our borders, our forces have carried Kenya's flag in peace support missions. Regional peace is not charity to our neighbors. It protects our citizens, our trade, markets, and also our future. Kenya must keep building its own model of defense contribution to national development, grounded in the Constitution and shaped by what our national